Today, I'm at the Chancery Square shopping centre and car park in Auckland CBD, and it's time for a lift/elevator tour. Our first lift is in the car park building itself, and this was an express lift that has been replaced with a Kone monospace MRL in 2018 or 2019, I'm pretty sure. It has white KDS 300 AUS and blue segmented LCD indicators. The floor numbering in this lift is very weird because it starts off with basement 2 and then you got the parking levels like P6 to P2 or whatever, grounds between the basements and the parking levels, and then you got level 4, which is the rooftop parking level. Very strange floor numbering.
Going up. Fourth floor. Going down. Going down. Basement 2. Going up. Going up. Fourth floor. Going down. Basement 2. Going up. Going up.
Our next lifts are hidden set of 2 lifts in the car park. These lifts, I'm not sure they're express like the other one or not, but they've been replaced with Kone monospace MRLs in 2018 like the other ones. However, identical to the last one, but however, these ones serve more floors, including the odd-numbered parking floors. Anyways, let's ride these lifts. Our next lift actually goes from the basement car park to the retail centre itself. This lift is an older Kone Sigma monospace from 2002. Interestingly enough, it has a very massive, big logic cabinet, which is strange for an MRL. But anyways, it has nice Sigma fixtures. However, the numbers on the buttons, they have little sticky labels beside the buttons to say which floors are which. Anyways, let's ride this lift. In the retail centre is a couple of office buildings. Our first office building at the shopping centre is on Courthouse Lane. These lifts are also Kone monospace. This time they have rectangle delta fixtures, the white delta indicators, and very rare lanterns, which is nice. These lifts go down to the car park and go up to level 5. However, though, you might expect the bells that come with those lanterns, which you will see, to have those bells, like I said. But, nope, they have delta chimes fitted into them, funny enough. The last office building is on Kitchener Street. Now, the lifts in here are very similar Kone Delta monospaces, but they have a different cab, a nice wooden cab. And these ones go an extra floor higher than the other ones. Same thing with the rear lanterns, they have fitted Delta chimes. Very loud Delta chimes into the lanterns, which is very nice. Anyways, let's ride these awesome rare lifts.